Hi everyone, Jans here, PM in Bloomreach, and today I would love to show you the new feature grouping by attribute. We will cover why we have developed this feature, and we will also cover what problems it will help you to solve. And in the end, I will show you the demo of the new feature in the application. So let's go. So why we have actually delivered this feature? We wanted to help businesses that needs to keep track of event changes. As you already know, in Bloomreach, we are not able to edit already tracked events and its attributes. It's just not possible because it already happened. And for example, with each new booking update or purchase update or contract update, you need to track another event. And who is it for? So it will be really beneficial for travel industry, hospitality, insurance, telco companies, and all businesses that needs to keep track with the changes of some booking contract or whatever you have. And what we have actually delivered. So we delivered the way how to answer questions, for example, like find customers flying to Dubai in June. And you need to be really sure that those customers really fly to Dubai, that it hasn't changed meanwhile, or show me users who have at least 3 active contracts. And those contracts are really active. The last date of the contract is active. Or how many paid bookings do we have right now? And we need to be sure that the last date or last change of the booking is really paid. It's not canceled or refunded or something like that. So let's check how it really works. All right, so let's imagine this is customer profile. The customer is John, and John has tracked 6 different booking events. And as you can see, each booking event has its own ID and final destination. And also you can see that we have always 2 booking events with the same ID. So booking with ID 789, and then it's change or it's update, booking with ID 789, but different destination. Likewise here, booking ID 456 and destination Bratislava. And then it was updated to booking ID 456, so the same booking, but the destination, it's not Bratislava anymore, it's New York. And right now, with the current functionality or before we developed this feature, you couldn't keep track with those changes. So we haven't been able to really connect the dots between the changes. So you couldn't see that this particular booking ID 456 is somehow related to the previous one that has been tracked before. So this is why we actually delivered the feature. And right now you are able to do really the event grouping. And the event grouping means that you can group by some attribute, which is in common for all of those booking events. And right now we have the ID. So each iteration has the same ID as the original booking, for example. So right now you can see that those colors represent the groups. So orange one is 789, 789. The green one is 456, 456, and the black one is 123, 123. So what we did right now, we grouped them by ID. So those groups has the same ID. And then we aggregate values only from the last event in each group. So basically, if we pick here last, we consider in the calculation only the last ones for each group. So it will really filter only those events which are the latest ones in each group of booking events with the same ID. If you do not pick last but first, it will take the original ones only. And how it really works in the application, let me show you that. Okay, now we are in the application, and this is customer profile. And in this customer profile, we have 6 different booking events as before in the slides. And if we open them, we can see that we have exactly 3 original booking events and updates of each of those original events. ID 123, 456, 789, and then the same IDs in the updated events. And on the left side, we have aggregate distinct destination test, which is our testing aggregate for this case. And in this aggregate, we are looking for the unique values for the destination. So as you can see here, we have Mumbai, Brno, New York, Prague, Bratislava, and the last one would be the Dallas. And the aggregate looks like this. So we are defining listing values, booking, destination as an attribute. And this is exactly what we have in a customer profile. But what if we are really interested in the last ones, only in the updates? So we are looking for the real destination where the client is flying to. So we would need to do the grouping actually. So we need to start with grouping those events by ID, because that's the attribute they have in common. So by ID, and then we are going to be aggregating values only from the last events in each group. So only from those three that happen after the original ones. So if we save it, you can see here that we have still 6 different booking events. But on the left side, the destination test showing only the values from the 3 last events here. And it's showing New York from ID 456, Brno from 789, and Mumbai from 123. So the last destination from each group of each booking event. So hopefully it will help you to answer your questions regarding the updates of the events. And hopefully you will find many more use cases where to utilize this feature, and let us know your feedback. We are looking forward to. Bye.